welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing Play-Doh set, and this one is a kitchen creation. We're going to unbox the frost and fun cake. So let's open it now. Sets includes a rolling pin, 2 cake holders. They both have molds in it. 2 circle cutters. They have different sizes. A plate with molds under. 2 recipe cards. Gelatin cake mold. Bear mold. This cake slicer getter. This thing for frosting. And it also includes these 3 things, different shapes for here in the extruder. A cupcake, for this is a cupcake mold. A knife with some textures. A star mold. And now the Play-Dohs. We have green Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, Play-Doh Plus, color blue, and another Play-Doh Plus that is color pink. So let's get started. First, we are going to make the cake, this cake over here that's in the box. We have this one to put our big cake. And now we're going to cut a clay using this one. We're going to make it yellow just like this. Let's open the yellow. Let's get some yellow. Oh, this is pretty it's so soft. There we go. Now we're just gonna roll it into a ball, and we just use the rolling pin. There. Now we just size it, make sure it fits. Now we cut it. There, now we just take it out. There, we put it on top of here. Now we are going to use pink and use the extruder to make the frosting all around here. We don't want to have big space around it. We're gonna use the star one because it makes like a frosting shape. So we're gonna use the pink Play-Doh Plus. It's so very little, but it's such a nice color. Let's put it now. There, and now let's do the extruding. Oh no, what happened? I forgot to tighten it. To tighten this. Now let's actually extrude it. The pink Play-Doh is kind of sticky. I think that's what it is for the frosting. Whoa, there we go. Now we put it. Oh, we need more pink. We're gonna make more. There. Now we put it in here and extrude a little more. There. I think that will be enough. So now let's put it. Oh yes, it's so perfect. There we go. We have made the the bottom. Now we're going to make the second layer. So for the top, we're just gonna make a frosting as well, but it's a little smaller. because that was the design in the picture, so we're gonna do it. Now we have the clay, the Play-Doh. We are going to size it. On here, I think that's okay. There, and now we put this on top. Okay, the cake is looking great. So we're going to use this one, I think. We're gonna use this one, and we're gonna use the color green. Ugh. Wow. Ugh. Now we got on the Play-Doh. We are going to roll it and now size it so it fits, and we can make another cake. Yeah. Okay, it is finished. It has a bunch of like that. I don't know why, but we're gonna put it. Oh, the cake is looking great. So now we're going to do the frosting and decorations. So we're gonna do another blue frosting. So we're going to do another design. We're going to use this red one. It's just a simple. So we roll it and then put it here. Now we just extrude it. There, I added that thing. Now we're going to do the little one. So it's gonna be color red because we haven't used red yet. Okay. So flat it. Oh. Okay. Now there. There we go. And now we're going to make the decorations. We're going to do the cherry and the strawberry, but in a different color. They're going to be color pink because it will not match because the top is already red. There we go. Put it on the top, and now we're going to make something little. There, I don't know what this is, but I guess it's okay. It's little. Put it here, and we'll put another one in a different color. There we go. We are done with our cake. Here's what it looks like. It's very pretty and all. Now we're gonna actually do the ones that are in the recipe card. So yeah. So now we're going to make this simple. We just get out this and just, and put some frosting in it and add some strawberries. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it in a different color. We're gonna do it in color green. There we go. Now we do the frosting. So we just roll it and put some Play-Doh. Here's star. Okay, there. Ah, there we go. It isn't really that perfect, but it's okay. Now we're gonna put pink strawberries all over it. There we go. We have done with the cookie. A cookie with the frosting on top. And now for the last one, we are gonna do a simple cupcake like that, but it's a different color. There we have the cupcake thing. Now we are going to do, we get some white, and this white doesn't include with this set. It's just from another set. So we're going to use it as a cupcake frosting. Here it is, the cupcake. This is gonna be our last creation from the Fun Frost and Fun Cakes because I'm running out of colors. That's why I use another color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!